Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Ford F-150 headlights. First, gather your tools. You will need a ratchet with a 10mm socket, a 7mm socket, and a trim removal tool. Also, make sure you have the correct new headlight assembly. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for safety and to clearly see what you are doing throughout the process. Let's get started. Next, we need to access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your truck's hood. You will find several retaining bolts, typically 10mm, along the top of the grille. Remove these bolts and any plastic clips using your trim removal tool. Once all fasteners are out, gently pull the grille straight forward to release it from its mounting points. This step provides clear access to the headlight. With the grille removed, you can now detach the old headlight. First, disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of the headlight unit. There are usually 2 or 3 bolts, often 7mm, holding the assembly in place. Remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting position. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Now, let's install your new headlight. Carefully slide the new headlight assembly into the opening, ensuring it seats correctly. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Before putting everything back together, reconnect all electrical connectors. It is important to test your new headlights, including high beams and turn signals, to confirm they are working properly. Then, reattach the grille.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.